Nowadays, everyone seems to be making motivational content, but only a few manage to truly go viral. Why does that happen? The answer is simple. Only the ones made with the right strategy succeed. Today, I'll walk you through an easy yet impactful method to create your own motivational video. You won't need a mic, editing background, or a team, just a few free tools. And yes, if you're concerned about YouTube's July 15th update, here's the relief. These videos are still monetizable with no issues. So, ready? Let's jump in. First, let's look at this example channel. They've pulled in millions of views using this exact method, and they're earning over $5,000 a month. Now it's your turn. We'll create a similar video but better in quality. The entire creation process will be fully streamlined. Yes, you heard right. I'm talking about making professional motivational content in under 20 minutes. If you're worried about YouTube restrictions, don't be. This format complies fully with the new platform guidelines. That means once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, your monetization is solid. Stick around till the end, and I'll share insider tips these top creators use to blow up. But first, tap that like button and subscribe for more guides like this. Now head over to ChatGPT. Here's what to do next. Take a screenshot of a top-performing motivational channel and upload it to ChatGPT. Then type something like, "I want to create content like this. Can you generate 15 detailed 3D image prompts and a motivational script for me?" In seconds, ChatGPT will deliver everything: an engaging, custom-written script, precise 3D photo prompts, and suggestions for visuals, voiceover tone, and editing pace. This is exactly how successful channels streamline their workflow. Now it's your turn. Next, open Leonardo AI. This is where you feed in the prompts you got from ChatGPT. But it's not just about entering prompts, you need to set them up right. Choose the image style carefully. Go for 3D or cinematic to give your video that high-quality edge. Once configured, Leonardo generates stunning images within seconds. Now you have professional-grade visuals that align with your script and are ready to be turned into a compelling video. After that, visit Lovevoice AI. Take the script from ChatGPT and paste it into their text-to-speech tool. Lovevoice produces incredibly lifelike narration, perfect for YouTube content. No need to record anything yourself. Now it's time for editing. Use CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, InShot, or even Canva, whatever you're comfortable with. Your goal is to create a polished, emotionally engaging video without needing advanced gear. Start a new project and import your elements: the 3D visuals, the voiceover audio, and some uplifting background music. Arrange the images in sync with the voiceover, ensuring the visuals match each spoken line. Fine-tune each image. Center it, crop if needed, and apply motion effects like slow zooms, pans, or the Ken Burns effect to keep things dynamic. Make sure image durations match the voiceover. Extend visuals for long lines, shorten them for quick ones. Then insert your voice file, making sure it starts exactly at the beginning. Adjust any gaps where the audio ends early or visuals linger too long. Add transitions, fade-ins, slides, or blurs to keep the flow smooth. Use zoom or gentle shake effects to highlight powerful lines. Then choose your background music. Go for something inspirational, calm, or energetic depending on your tone. Lower the music to around 10 to 20% of the voice volume and reduce it further when crucial messages are being delivered so the voice is crystal clear. Before exporting, do a final polish, fix color balance, adjust brightness, and make sure your video is in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Export in 1080p or even 4K for that professional finish. If needed, add subtitles. They help viewers engage even with sound off. Once you're happy, your video is ready for publishing. Let's see the result.
In a quiet village tucked between the mountains, lived a young boy named Covey. One morning, his grandfather handed him a tiny seed. "Plant this," the old man said, "and you'll learn the secret of life." Covey watered the soil every day. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. Nothing grew. His friends mocked him. Even his hope began to fade. "Why hasn't it grown?" he whispered one stormy night. Then, one day, after nearly a year, a green sprout broke the soil. fragile, but full of promise. The seed had been growing roots all this time, deep, invisible, but essential. The old man returned and smiled. Some things, he said, must grow inward before they rise upward. You are growing too. Be patient with your journey. Even in silence, growth is happening. The strongest trees grow the slowest. Trust the process.
Thanks for sticking around till the end. Best of luck with your first video.